What's good, guys? It's T-Boy Films here, and this video is gonna be a video about what I got for my Christmas, and also my GoPro. I got some videos of me on my bike and some dirt bike clips. So what I got for Christmas was a GoPro Hero 8, a bunch of like stuff for the GoPro, like accessories. I got a drone, I got a new smart TV, 40-inch, and I got a tripod and a like running system. So yeah, let's get right into those clips.
Coming in the way where the ways are the same. I gotta put it on my lane, tear it up, gotta make it up, gotta line up, pour water in my cup, spit flows that never turn to the dust. Make it rain, bring an umbrella. This word is tasting so sweet you could call it Nutella. Me and the brothers, we're bringing the peace, that's on some Nutella. Heaven on earth, can you really feel it? That's heaven on earth. These demons, man, just kick them out of curve. What's worse, turning your back against God and put us in a curse. Who wants it the most? Blessings on blessings are on the line. That's on my mind, committed my time. Words of return, my life, that's Jesus, and that's Jesus. Ain't no other reason, that's just Jesus. No other reason, mind over matter, you could run for the pebble. Light as a feather when I run to the Father with the life is great, or I'm under the weather. Hit me with the rod.